The late Dr. F.T. Sun's second Memorial Arm Wrestling Championship concluded with high energy and excitement at the KGP Conference Centre, IGP Shillong. The tournament saw participation from over 250 athletes, including youth, women and men, competing for top honours. The event was organised by Power Gym Club in collaboration with the state government, Yakantoplang Self-Help Group, Frank Yamaha, Speed Tech, Bouncer Association of Meghalaya, the KSU and the FKJGP. The late Dr. F.T. Sun was a prominent figure in the state's arm wrestling community, playing a crucial role in fostering the sport since 1995. His contributions in mentoring and supporting young athletes have left a lasting legacy. In the Champions of Champions amateur category, Mebansan Sangma from Maukarwat secured the men's title, while Victoria Nongshli from Ribhoy emerged as the women's champion. For the Pro Champions of Champions category, Jimison Marwen from Maukarwat claimed victory in the men's division, while Wonderland's Im Yong from Power Gym Club clinched the women's title. The championship celebrated the legacy of Dr. F.T. Sun while showcasing the strength and talent of the state's arm wrestling community.
Namta paten banwan bat ngaju sutamat ya iba alam tolong ba undi tamba ide world champion balawan sementara haki insang dokter zai I lagu ya kun sama ba kikil sopang ba niskam ba limba ke sinkia joki alam ba kati joki ba kun sama kita kio ba kilangnya kio artet syaki ketan ke semua Anong sibong kitian na bagay pagpunat na yung iba kailangan itu nakwa ang simultan may ikabang ko ang iba alam mo na ilatran ba kuno sa jinakas mau ka-discipline ka day kaway ba kunhap kambo ang ladi na marba-claim ka-discipline pinumuna balong kayo bat ka-concentration ito bat ka-jinglan lagi kita likely mau barabuwa di balong ta dan ba hakoi kesini na kawai kesultan siya kawai kesultan bat koi siya kasong tu yang tibok kerbian sesi lebih baru kawan simenta hakane ka tournament bat aka jingetlan ka iklan bagi sama alam ba kalian pesing KSU central body ru sa pelong ini kita dingakai alusnan bat kenan skan ini baru kawan simenta diwan simenta hakane ka program bagi sekolong bab kiniwel yakwe para sama kiniwan simenta arte ka tournament
kickbox kirbiang official bro punya Tristom karena kini di champion terbeli official di champion tengah kacen belum champion di besuk inisial kandung yang tai hal berpraktis tengah kepat na request sepi bro bagi bandung di bandung sub lari kidung giba don interest banyak ai Pavin Tracy Tom lu main bersiap di tang hadir. Te so kowe belum ngan pelong so kowe ke tournament tang na mataki amateur. Kalau ni benai telak ngai lam ni tu. Te pengkret lupa tang ki amateur ban. First, second, third state Shasu. Fourth shadow menai. Ibayu kecat national, ibayu kecat po state. Di bawah besar itu kin island. First, second, third Shasu tang ki fresh ping apa.
dan Pak Brian Mangkau. Silakan. Third Brian Mangkau. Mulat Magli. Sorry.
Ibu alam darurat bisa selesai. ke memudah posisi kategori.
Come on, Anisha! Come on, Nana!
Okay, Damewan hi Karjana Persya ya Rifat Sayo Subhanallah Lakhra. Damewan hi Karjana Persya Rifat Sayo Subhanallah Lakhra.
Adakah di tapping dulu? First ball trong kan Rimpo Kijiเป็นแคร์อินในไอเบรสพิชาอีบาวันอีบันติมพิวปังสัก
Wajib di Aibak Polwan yang. Dame